Welcome viewers. Today's session we are going to discuss how you can create groups in Power BI. Now before creating and starting our topic, let me explain what is the concept of groups. Let's say suppose there are various records are there and it is basically a sales record. Now there are different kind of products that you are selling. Now, at a time, somebody wants to check how many products have been sold product-wise. For example, there may be 5 different products. So against each product, you want to know the quantity of the item sold. So that basically called as a summarized report. And that kind of summarized report we can present by creating groups in Power BI. Now, while creating groups, it is not only Power BI, more precisely inside Power BI, we will be using Power Query Editor because it very much facilitates us to create such a kind of groups in a very easy manner. So I'm taking all of you to our Power BI screen where already we have opened one particular data set. So this data set is a very simple type of data sets, various participants' name, their pre-test score, some dates, and also some departments are there. Here is, I want you to focus on this particular column. Here we can see various departments are there, vendor management, customer procurement, policymakers, so many departments are there. Now, somebody may try to analyze the data in this way. Department-wise, what is the average score of the participants? Try to understand, I repeat, department-wise, what is the average price of the participants? So that means I have to group the entire data set basis on our department column. So who can do this? Definitely the Power Query Editor. And how Power Query Editor can be invoked? By using transform data, which is available otherwise inside the home menu. So I am clicking the Power transform data. Here also I'm clicking. And definitely our Power Query Editor will come up and will appear on the screen. So this data set is sheet 1. So inside sheet 1, I can see participant name, pre-test, post-test, so many columns. Even other columns are also basically visible. So if you can scroll it, you will get all the column names are coming. Now let's start the process of grouping. So here I can see that a big icon is there, group by. So if I click on this group by, you can see that here it has started a kind of wizard process. Now, on what basis you want to group by? So the answer is you have to choose department from this combo box. This particular combo box will show all the columns that you have taken in your data set. Next is what to do, whether you want to count rows or whether you want to calculate the average, whether you want to calculate the maximum, whether you want to calculate minimum. And as I told, our purpose is to create a average price report against each department. So I'm taking average and basically now I'm showing average of pre-test. So this particular operation will be called as a group by operation. So if I click on OK, you will find that suddenly the sheet has been changed and very easily you can find out that these are the 4 different departments. Now, you can see that there is a non-uniformity of data. So it is basically as per calculation, somewhere some long decimal places are coming, somewhere it is keeping up to one decimal places, somewhere it is keeping up to two decimal places. So if you want to apply a kind of uniformity, so you can right click on this particular column, and then in the shortcut menu, you will find there is an option transform. And basically from here, you can also say round. Now round up. So this is the option I am choosing, round up. And definitely it will ask up to how decimal places, or this is a round up. Otherwise, what we can do, again, I am coming, I again going to the transform, and I'm saying round. Now I'm choosing the first option, round. Now it is asking decimal places. So suppose I want up to 2 decimal places. So if I place 2 and click on OK, now these figures will be changed a little bit. So in this way, we can definitely create a permanent pivotal data set, which we can very easily use in our report view as well. So this is how you can very simply, you can create a groupism inside your database or in your data set. So definitely I will expect that you have liked this video, and if you have liked, please click on the like button and do subscription of our channel. We will put up more such videos in shortly. Thank you.